Hi everyone, today with me I have this awesome pack of laundry bags. These are super useful and I've used this brand before and continue to get more. These are so incredible. These are mesh bags. They are super tough and durable and I've used some that rip on the first use. This is not that. These are going to last you super long. I really love that they have the most butter smooth zippers. They are super easy to open and close, which makes it super easy to throw clothes in here and throw them into the wash. Now, you're also going to see that the zipper has a little place right here with elastic so you can tuck it in there to protect it from opening in the middle of the wash and also to keep it from rusting. And you also have a little hook on each single bag so you can hang them off a wall on your laundry room. I absolutely adore these. Now, this is the pack of 2 medium and 2 large ones. They have so many different packs. You can just get mediums or you can get small, medium, and large. You can mess around and you can get so many different ones. I absolutely love these because they're awesome for so many different things. The medium one measures 15.75 inches by 11.81 inches, which is awesome for t-shirts, pants, swimsuits, or even your shoes. While the bigger one is awesome for pillows, windbreakers, hoodies, or jackets because it measures 15.75 inches by 19.69 inches. These are awesome. These are super durable and definitely are going to make a difference when cleaning your clothes. So check these out on Amazon. I absolutely recommend them.